Tonight, anger and frustration over a murder case that never made it to trial.
That's what hurts the most, that, can't rest in peace because, his murder's still unsolved.
July 1st, 2021, broad daylight, prosecutors say two brothers, Dewanye Robinson and Don Corleone Robinson, shot and killed Joseph Timms right outside of his barbershop at Center and Holton. Nearly 2 years later, the intentional homicide case ready for trial suddenly halted. Online records show state's witness unable to be located. The case against the two men dismissed.
What was your client's reaction?
Well, I think he was relieved, of course.
12 News speaking exclusively with Don Robinson's defense attorney.
Any indication as to why this witness couldn't be located?
I have no idea. My investigator has not been able to find him, so we haven't interviewed him. We don't know.
The criminal complaint states investigators interviewed 3 witnesses, one who saw the shooting, identified both men in photos, and 2 other witnesses nearby in a car told police they saw the suspect shoot Timms, then speed off in a silver Acura. Police later found the car and linked DNA to the Robinsons. But those accounts never made it to court. Since defendants have the right to confront accusers or witnesses, they had to hit pause.
The state can't say, well, it's in a police report. Can we read that into the record? That's called hearsay.
Was he involved in this man's murder?
Well, that would be an attorney-client privilege communication that I can't answer. He pled not guilty and was going to go to trial.
The sudden dismissal was the talk at G's Clippers, where Timms, known as Jay the Barber, used to work.
The fact of the matter is they still was released. There's no justice been unfulfilled.
What would be your reaction to people who are upset that someone accused of killing another man is now walking free?
Well, I can understand why people would be upset. It's better to release 10 guilty people than it is to wrongfully convict one innocent person.
Hillary, this case could go to trial at a later date.
Absolutely, Patrick, it could. The DA's office declined to speak on camera, but told 12 News late this afternoon they intend to resume prosecution if and when this witness is found.
Hillary Mintz reporting live in Milwaukee tonight.